Maybe it's something to open the garage with.
I don't know. Come here. Let's go see. Grandma and Grandpa got you a new battery. What does that battery need to go to?
Oh, it's to charge the battery.
Oh, it's our battery. Okay. Let's see what your battery goes to. Oh, Daddy's got to get the garage door to open.
Why?
Because I think there's something in there that's for you. What is that? What is that, Jackson?
No.
I don't know. Go check it out.
Sit in it.
What is that?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Sit in it.
Do what?
You got it. You can sit down.
Hold on.
Hold on to that. And press that with your feet. Oh my goodness! What do you think, Jackson? What do you think about that, buddy? Are you happy? Yeah. Merry Christmas, buddy.